good shit. Look at it.
Barnett, when the last time you hit some weed?
It was 87. Raiders was still here.
Well, we done got up off this pot back here.
That nigga hit some weed last time on his birthday with me and his brother. That nigga went in there and he jumped in the shower.
He got in the shower. He was like, don't leave me.
He got in the shower, coming out there talking about, woo! Like he doing that, talking about, woo!
Oh, he did that?
Hell yeah.
Oh, man.
You know, we had that powwow.
He ain't fall for that shit. Yeah, your ass went to the hospital last time.
No, damn near did.
What, on the weed?
Yeah. Nigga need CPR.
I had to smoke no shit.
I took too long?
May 19th, 01. I had a stroke May 19th, 01.
Damn.